In this video, we listed the 5 best stunt scooters that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FREEDARE Pro Scooter. The FREEDARE JB1 scooter is a lightweight and durable stunt scooter designed for youth, with a maximum weight limit of 220 pounds. With dimensions of 23 inches in length and 4 inches in width, it features a robust aluminum and alloy steel construction. The scooter stands at a height of 810 mm from the ground to the handlebar, making it suitable for riders of varying heights. Its 100 mm polyurethane wheels provide a smooth and fast ride, while the solid plastic wheel cores ensure longevity. Weighing only 3.2 kilograms, the scooter is ideal for beginners and entry-level freestyle riders, allowing them to practice tricks with ease. The deck's dimensions are 100 mm in width and 582 mm in length, providing a solid platform for stunts, with a one-piece welded connection capable of handling impacts up to 1,800 pounds. Designed for both park and street use, the FREEDARE scooter combines performance and quality, making it a practical choice for young riders. Regular maintenance, such as retightening bolts and avoiding adverse conditions, is essential for ensuring its longevity, with responsive customer service ready to assist users. Number 2. Mongoose Stunt Trick Scooter. The Mongoose Rise scooter is designed for both youth and adult riders, boasting a sleek black and red color scheme. Constructed with a lightweight alloy deck featuring an extended standing area, this scooter ensures pro-style park performance, complemented by front and rear alloy pegs. With a robust weight limit of 220 pounds, it is suitable for a wide range of users. The product dimensions measure 26.5 inches in length, 23 inches in width, and 32.25 inches in height, accommodating stable rides. Equipped with high-impact 100 mm alloy wheels and durable ABEC 7 bearings, it promises a smooth and non-slip experience. The one-piece welded steel T-bar handlebar is designed for both durability and comfort, while the quadruple anodized clamp collar and threadless headset facilitate precise steering. Recommended for riders aged 8 and above, the Mongoose Rise successfully combines safety and performance for an enjoyable scooting experience. Number 3. LMT69 Professional Scooter. The Limit LMT69 scooter is a lightweight and foldable option designed for riders aged 8 and above, accommodating a weight limit of 200 pounds. Manufactured by a Chinese company specializing in pro stunt scooters, it boasts a stylish design that has been tested by riders globally for safety, durability, and comfort. The scooter features a compact size with dimensions of 26.8-inch LX 4.72, WX 34.2H and weighs only 3.3 kilograms, making it easy to handle for both beginners and junior riders. Its high-strength CRMO 4130 T-bar, soft TPE grips, and durable AL 7003 deck with an 83-degree head tube angle ensure a reliable riding experience. With 110 mm wheels equipped with high-quality ABEC 9 bearings and a steel flex brake for quiet stopping, the scooter promises excellent performance. Assembly is straightforward, requiring minimal effort as 98% of the parts come pre-assembled. Additionally, Limit scooters are backed by a 6-month warranty on key components, ensuring customer satisfaction and support for any inquiries or quality issues. Number 4. Limit LMT08 Pro Scooter. The LMT08 scooter offers an exciting and safe riding experience for children aged 7 to 12 years, featuring a vibrant yellow color and designed with professional-level specifications for durability and comfort. With a weight limit of 220 pounds, it boasts dimensions of 26.5-inch LX 19.5, WX 32H, 2 wheels made from aluminum and PU materials, and a robust frame constructed from lightweight aluminum and alloy steel. The scooter is equipped with durable nylon and steel brakes, ensuring quick stopping power for added safety, while the 110 mm wheels with ABEC 9 bearings guarantee a smooth ride. High-strength chromoly handlebars, measuring 21.7 inches in height and 19.5 inches in width, provide comfortable grips that absorb vibrations, and the entire scooter stands at an ideal height of 800 mm for young riders. Its aircraft-grade 7003 aluminum deck, measuring 19 inches in length and 4.3 inches in width, enhances strength through a specialized T6 treatment. Additionally, the scooter comes 95% assembled for easy setup, making it an appealing gift option for kids who are eager to hit the skatepark with style and safety. Number 5. Fuzion X-5 Pro Scooter. The Fuzion Pro X-5 scooter is designed for riders aged 8 and up, featuring a sleek black design and built with high-quality materials for durability and performance. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, the scooter boasts a lightweight frame and a spacious 19.5-inch LX4W deck, making it both sturdy and easy to maneuver. It is equipped with 100mm 5-spoke aluminum core wheels made from high-rebound polyurethane, ensuring a smooth ride and excellent control. With a weight limit of 220 pounds, the scooter is suitable for a wide range of users. The assembly process is user-friendly, requiring only 3 bolts to be tightened, allowing riders to get started quickly. Additional features include high-tensile steel-reinforced V-bars, a durable threadless headset with a super-smooth IHC compression system, and a custom nylon steel brake that operates quietly. Overall, the Fuzion Pro X-5 combines premium components and effortless assembly, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced riders.